Your car is hiding features you already paid for, but probably never use. Stay until number 1. It can completely change how your car feels. Number 15. Your seat belt anchor may move up and down, keeping the belt away from your neck. 14. Many sun visors swing sideways, and some extend farther to block that annoying corner of sunlight. 13. That tab under your mirror switches it into anti-glare mode for night driving. 12. The overhead sunglasses holder may also stop halfway and work as a rear seat conversation mirror. 11. Check beneath your center console, seats, and cargo floor. Hidden storage may be everywhere. 10. See a tiny vent inside your glove box? It may use the air conditioning to keep drinks cooler. 9. Hidden levers can fold or recline your rear seats, creating more cargo space in seconds. 8. Rear occupant alerts remind you to check the back seat after switching off the engine. 7. Those numbered door buttons can save your seat, mirrors, and sometimes steering wheel position. 6. Easy entry automatically moves the driver's seat backward when you turn the car off. 5. Holding the unlock button may open every window before you even enter the car. 4. Press sync to control both climate zones with one temperature setting. 3. That tiny covered slot beside the shifter may be an emergency shift lock release. Only use it exactly as your manual directs. 2. Auto hold keeps the brakes applied at traffic lights, so you can remove your foot from the pedal. And number 1, open your vehicle settings menu. You may find hidden controls for door locking, mirror folding, lighting, windows, driver assistance, and much more. How many of these does your car have? Comment your number, save this video, and subscribe to Zero to Mechanic before you miss another hidden feature.